Make a great choice today with the 2021 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.